Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Join me as we see together 4 incredible demos, with each having a stunning full-width slider at the top, leaving a lasting impression on the viewers. First up, let's feast our eyes on some jaw-dropping examples. Feeling inspired? It's your turn to take the wheel. Turns out, crafting a full-width slider is easier than you think. You can create your own full-width slider using one of the ready-made templates in the picture. All you have to do is go to thepicture.com, click Templates, and type in full-width slider. Then you'll be treated to a gallery of jaw-dropping designs. But what if you want to create a full-width slider from scratch? This business website grabs attention with a stunning full-width slider at the top, perfectly matching the overall clean and professional look. Let's see how it was created. In WordPress dashboard, head to the picture. Click on Create a Blank and choose Slider to start fresh. Choose a name for your slider. It is here where you choose your slider to be full screen, boxed, or full width. Just so you know, you can access the aforementioned slider settings in Options, then General. Alright then, let's design the slider. Choose a background image, then select a heading and a subheading for your slider. Take your time to design their appearance, like the fonts and the colors, to align with the look of your website. Add a button and customize its look. Choose its main color and set a hover effect with a different shade. Spice things up with a cool gradient box, some text, and a playful arrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Navigation arrows would look beautiful here, so we'll add 2 and redesign them just the same. Animate everything. Add a Ken Burns effect to the background for extra flair. Once you make sure of the overall design of the slide, duplicate it for easy editing. Then, all you have to do is change the background image and the text of the slides. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Let's preview our slider. It was sure worth the work, just beautiful. Let's publish it so we can add it to the website. Click on Edit with Elementor in your website. Add a section, then drag and drop the depictor slider widget. Choose the slider that you just created and click Update. The website is elevated with this eye-catching slider at the top. Now you see how simple it is to build one yourself with Depictor. Leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Bye!